Chapter 1. Legal Concept. Law. In jurisprudence, law is a rule prescribed by society for the government of human conduct, a rule of action or of civil conduct prescribed by the competent authority, by the lawmaking power of the state, by the proper lawmaking authority, by law lexicon. Law means an ordinance, order by law, regulation, notification, custom, or usage having in the territory the force of law. By San Ram versus Labh Singh, AIR 1965, SC 314316. Law is the sum total of the condition under which the personal wishes of one man can be combined with the personal wishes of another man in accordance with the general law of freedom. By Kant. Law is the rule whereby the invisible borderline is fixed within which the being and the activity of each individual obtain a secure and free space. By Savigny. Law is the art or science of what is equitable and good. By Alpine. The word law is used in the expression equality before law in a generic sense, whereas in the expansion, the equal protection of law, it is used denoting specific laws in force. By Srinivas Theatre versus Government of the Tamil Nadu, AIR 1992, SC 999-1004. The main source of law are legislation, judicial precedent, and custom. Law, in its general and comprehensive sense, signifies a rule of action and is applied indiscriminately to all kinds of action, whether whether animate or inanimate, rational or irrational. Blackstone. The law consists of the rule recognized and acted on in the courts of justice. By Salmond. The law or the law taken indefinitely is an abstract or collective term which when it means anything can mean neither more nor less than the sum total of the number of individual law taken together. By Bentham. Law is the command of the sovereign. By Austin. The form of the guarantee of condition of life of society assured by the state power of constant. Rudolf von Ihering. Roscoe Pound considered the law to be largely a tool of social engineering. Oliver Wendell Holmes has stated, law is a statement of the circumstance in which public force will be brought to bear upon the through court. A principle or rule of conduct so established as to justify a prediction which reasonable certainty that it will be enforced by the court it is if its authority is challenged is a principle of or rule of law. Benjamin Condas. Law can be categorized as human, criminal, personal, labor, etc. For a lawyer, law means the rule recognized and acted on by the court.